Greetings, this is Ms. Kingsley, and this is one of 3 videos that are about multi-step measurement problems. So let's go ahead and take a look at the problem. And since you haven't seen these before, I'm going to recommend that you pause the video, read it, and see what you can figure out on your own. Just see what kind of sense you can make of it, even if you don't know how to solve it. Just try to figure out what's going on and what might be involved in solving it. And then come back to me and I'll show you this one. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. So Scarlett made a chicken dish for dinner. She added a 10-ounce package of vegetables. So I'm gonna highlight that. 10-ounce package of vegetables and an 8-ounce package of rice. It's her second ingredient for her chicken dish or dinner, to 30 ounces of chicken. Okay, what was the total weight of the chicken dish in pounds? So total weight tells us probably we're using addition at some point to add up the prior weights. And then it asks us to what the total weight is in pounds, but it's given it to us in ounces. So that gives us a hint that we're doing at least one conversion. Okay, so we need to, if we're converting, we need to think of our relationship. We have pounds and ounces. And this goes back to our earlier videos. So this is where you need to remember or look up your relationship. And in this case, it is 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Okay, so we are starting with ounces, but our answer is going to be in pounds. So the next thing we want to figure out is, are we going to be multiplying or dividing on this conversion before I do a whole bunch of other math? And to end up with pounds means I'm going to be going from ounces to pounds. And when I go this direction, as you learned in the other videos, I'm going to be dividing, okay? So now let's go back to our problem and see what is our total number of ounces before we figure out pounds. So we have veggies over here, and those are 10 ounces. And we have rice, which is 8 ounces. And we have chicken, which is 30 ounces. Now you might ask me, how do you decide, are we going to add these first and then convert, or convert them first and then add? Great question. I look at these numbers and I say, do I want to divide 10 by 16 and 8 by 16 and 30 by 16? And I think, no, those are going to give me some messy numbers with decimals, and I am going to instead add first and see if I get lucky. Okay, so we're going to add these together and we get a total of 48 ounces of these things combined for our total weight. So now we need to divide. So we're going to take 48 ounces divided by 16, which is ounces in each cup, in each pound, if you remember what we're doing there, in each pound. And we get the total number of pounds. So now we have to do this math. Say 48 divided by 16. So this is where I might need to guess and check. So let's see what happens if I just take 2 16s. Add those together. That's only 32. So that's not enough. So let's try 3. And I have 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 48. Ended up perfectly. So my answer is 3. 3 what? Can you fill in the word? What did they ask us? What did we convert to? Pounds. So my answer is 3 pounds was my total weight for the chicken dish. Okay? Hopefully that gives you an idea about these multi-step measurement problems, and that's the end of this first video. See you next time.